If a Parisian starts speaking to you and you have no idea what they're saying, don't freeze up. Just say, Je ne comprends pas. Désolé. I don't understand. Sorry. People slow down immediately. Think of it as your safety net in Paris. And later in this video, you'll learn what to say when even that doesn't work, and the phrases that make France suddenly feel much easier. C'est parti! People say Parisians are rude, but many tourists accidentally start interaction the wrong way. In France, you never skip this word, bonjour. This may be the most important word in France, not because of the meaning, but because bonjour is the social password. If you know it, you can enter any interaction smoothly. If you skip it, it feels cold. If you walk into a bakery, a cafe, or a hotel and ask a question immediately, it creates distance. So, eye contact, small smile, bonjour. Read it as written here. You'll sound French enough to be understood. So, now that you've opened the interaction correctly, here's how you get someone's attention politely. Excusez-moi, but the secret isn't the words, it's the volume. Excusez-moi, excusez-moi. In France, softer is always better. The quieter you say this, the more help you usually get. Excusez-moi. Okay, now comes the stressful part. Ordering. You're sitting in a cafe or a restaurant, the waiter is looking at you. You point at the menu and simply say, Je vais prendre ça, I'll have that. And by using ça, you skip the grammar entirely. No need to worry about un or une. And if you want to be more specific, just replace ça with anything on the menu. Don't worry too much about un or une. Even if you get it wrong, French people will understand you. Je vais prendre un café. Je vais prendre un croissant. You decide, and that's what French people hear. Je vais prendre ça. One coffee later, you need the restroom. Don't build a perfect sentence in your head. Just say, les toilettes s'il vous plaît. In French, you don't need a full sentence. Just the place and s'il vous plaît, and everyone understands. Les toilettes s'il vous plaît. Now, someone helps you. Maybe they give you directions, hold the door, or grab something you dropped. Don't freeze and repeat, Merci, merci, merci. One calm, Merci beaucoup sounds so much more natural. Say it once, with genuine warmth. That's it. Merci beaucoup. Quick check, 5 phrases in. Let's see if you've got it. You're in a Parisian cafe, the waiter is looking at you, and you want to order. What do you say? Take a few seconds. The answer is si. Je vais prendre ça. I'll have that. Point at the menu, say those 4 words, and you're ready to order anywhere in France. Speaking of restaurants, if you want to feel comfortable from walking in to asking for the bill, I've got you covered. That video is right there. Go have a look. Okay, let's keep going. Now eventually, you'll hit this moment in a French cafe. You've been sitting there for 10 minutes, the waiter still hasn't brought the bill, and you're wondering, how do I actually pay? Just say this. L'addition, s'il vous plaît. In France, the waiter will never bring the bill automatically. You always have to ask, so don't wait, just say it. L'addition, s'il vous plaît. Now let's go to the Paris metro. Crowded, busy, people everywhere. You know the word pardon in English. In French, it works the same way, but so much more. So if you need to squeeze past someone, say, pardon, short, fast, natural. That one word will save you constantly in Paris, not just when you bump into someone. To squeeze past, to interrupt politely, even to get someone's attention. One word, 100 situations. Pardon. Remember the very first phrase of this video? Je ne comprends pas. We're going deeper now. Je ne comprends pas, I don't understand at all. Je ne comprends pas bien. I don't quite understand. One is a wall, the other opens a door. Use je ne comprends pas bien if you want to tell the person you're trying, and most of the time they will slow down and help. Je ne comprends pas bien. But sometimes, even when they slow down, you still don't catch it. That's when you say, Vous pouvez répéter? Could you repeat that? And notice the vous in French. Vous is how you address someone you don't know. Always use it with strangers. And lift your voice at the end. It's a question. Vous pouvez répéter? Most people will repeat slowly and clearly. And finally, this is your emergency exit button. Vous parlez anglais? Do you speak English? But always try a little French first. Even just Bonjour, excusez-moi. That small effort changes everything. Start directly in English and people sometimes become cold. Try a little French first and most people immediately become more helpful. Vous parlez anglais? Before your trip, download these phrases to your phone. I put all of them together with pronunciation so you can use them immediately in France. And if you freeze or forget what to say, you can even play the phrase directly to the person. That alone can save you in cafés, restaurants, hotels, airports, or really any stressful moment during your trip. The link is below.